Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word undeniable. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is undeniable. Let's break it down. First, we have UHN, which sounds like in up, then D, which sounds like the D in different. Next is NYE, which rhymes with high or fly and carries the main stress. Then comes which is a quick, unstressed vowel sound, like the A in sofa. Finally, bool, which rhymes with full. Now let's put it all together. Undeniable. Try repeating after me. Undeniable. Now a little faster. Undeniable. And at full speed. Undeniable. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Undeniable means something that cannot be disputed or contradicted, something that is clear and obvious. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce undeniable and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.